Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights because Windows requires elevation to change boot time checks. Once you have the elevated command prompt open, you'll run a query to see if C is marked for checking. Type chkntfsc and press Enter to inspect the current state. This tells you whether chkdsk is scheduled. Make sure to note the drive letter if different. If the drive is listed, proceed. Otherwise, you can skip disabling and investigate why chkdsk ran initially. Now you'll disable the boot time check for the target volume. Type chkntfs/xc and press Enter to exclude drive C from automatic checks. This prevents chkdsk at startup. Alternatively, use fsudo dirty query C to check the dirty bit if set clear underlying issues before excluding. Once done, run chkntfsc to confirm the exclusion appears. Make sure to replace C with the correct drive letter if your system partition differs. Otherwise, Windows may still schedule a scan. To finish, reboot and watch whether the startup check appears. If it's gone, you're done. If chkdsk still runs, you may have a real disk error or a set dirty bit. Run chkdsk C/F from admin command prompt after boot or schedule it once, then repair issues. Additionally, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix system corruption that could trigger repeated checks. If problems persist, backup data and test the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.